Hello, and welcome to this overview of the latest release for CX Cloud. This is a short, high-level introduction to some of the key updates to the CX Cloud Contact Center agent interface. We'll provide additional information with upcoming videos focusing on AI features, reporting, other omni-channel features. So let's kick this off. So when you're logging into your agent screen, we have a new section on the left-hand side, which is able to provide company information and updates to the agent as you require. You're logging in as you normally do with the center section with your username and password as you normally do. Once you've logged in and your credentials are verified, you then get access to this new homepage for the agent, which is great. So this is laid out showing information such as your own credential information, the groups you're a member of, the team member you are. These are the cues or the skills that you're members of and what your capacity or capability is for each of those skills, depending on what's been allocated. This is a live widget showing you how the calls have been distributed to you, if you've been ready or busy or not busy. On the top section up here, you can actually see a live dashboard for the day, showing the number of calls you've handled, your average calling time per hour, your average handling time. You then got a very helpful dashboard showing specific number of calls that may be waiting in the queue, waiting to be answered in the voice channel here. There's none at the moment. Over here on the right hand side, this is a digital dashboard showing if there are any emails waiting, chats waiting, etc. If we go up here onto the top right hand side, we now have moved where you're able to inform your supervisor if you're on a lunch break, if you're on a personal break, etc. So that's up here on the right hand side. We now also have a nice feature that enables us to see the instant status of the platform, and if there's any issues on it, that'll actually keep you up to date. There's an excellent new embedded app window that is normally used for your CRM or your customer record management system. That's new. We also have the ability now to access information such as your profile, your user password information that can be using multi-factor authentication. You also have the ability to run quick diagnostics on your audio equipment on your PC, which you can do by hitting these test buttons, which is very helpful when changing headsets or PCs or working from home even. So the next thing I wanted to show you are the new widgets on the left-hand side. So we can see the home screen that we're on now with our dashboard. Underneath that, we've got interactions. Underneath that, we've got our contacts. And underneath that, we've got our legacy chats and messaging systems. So if we go into the interactions, you'll see here immediately that I've got a section on voice interactions, so phone calls. And you'll see I've got a quick history of the calls and interactions today over those phone calls. If I look at 3 days, I can search on that. You will notice I've got an alert here saying that I have not completed a wrap-up on this previous phone call that has come in. And I can certainly click on to complete that call and enter in wrap-up information, which I'll show you in another video. Underneath that, then we've got the ability to access the contacts, and these contacts can be fed from the customer database and displayed very simply like this, or you can access the customer database through the CRM that's embedded. We have integration into Microsoft Teams, obviously, so that allows us to pull information from Microsoft and display the status of each of the staff within the organization. We have our own quick dials or speed dials, so the agent is able to send calls quickly to other staff or maybe even outside people that are not inside of the contact directory.